Short-form content, such as YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos, offer amazing opportunities for growth and creativity. But it can be a little daunting knowing where to start from a technical point of view in terms of your editing software or on your phone, to the style and narrative of your short-form content. Well, I'm going to show you how to do all of this, and we're going to start with literally how to make short-form content. On mobile phones, it is of course much easier. You can just point and click and do your editing on an app. But with gaming shorts, you'll mostly want to include video footage from whatever game you play, and filming that from a phone doesn't look great. So we'll want to do the editing of our shorts on a computer and just in our normal video editing software. When doing this, the first thing you'll want to do is change the formatting of your video to vertical, and you can do that by simply changing your resolution from 1920 by 1080 or whatever resolution you were working with, and change it to the reverse, so it would be 1080 by 1920. This flips your video vertical, ready for consuming on mobiles. Now, in terms of the content you actually want to be making in your shorts, that is of course up to you, but I do have a couple of pointers. You could do highlights from your main YouTube videos and condense them down to the most important parts and make that 60 seconds or less, which are the requirements for YouTube Shorts. But generally you'll want to go even shorter than that. By taking this approach, it generally is a great way to maximize your content and reach new audiences with it. Or you can try something slightly different from your main YouTube videos. So it could still be based on the same game you play, but you could post about something maybe in a different way. For example, you could make it more gameplay based, show something funny that happened, or even show a glitch that you found. These types of things may not fit into your longer form content on YouTube, but there's still an audience for them. And it could still well be a similar audience that enjoys them. It's just that that type of thing maybe doesn't fit into the longer videos. By taking this approach, your short form content supplements your longer form, meaning that you reach more people. When you've got your editing software ready and you've got some ideas for what your short form content is going to be about, you've now got to the pivotal moment, editing a short. This is the key bit. We say in normal videos that you have to capture the audience's attention in the first few seconds, and in short form, this is even more important. People are so ready to swipe by, you've got to get them interested. So generally, you want your short to be, well, short, so as short as humanly possible with what you're trying to show or tell in the video. So this means super fast paced, with plenty of scene changes with B-roll or different images and videos, and maybe some text too. And this includes subtitles if what is being said is important. You want to create the fewest barriers possible for an audience to enjoy your content, and many people will be watching on their phones with the sound off. On top of the speedy, to the point and visually varied video, you want to add appropriate sound effects in there too. This isn't always necessary, but can add another layer of immersion when people watch your content. Finally, a watch time retention hack in shorts is to make your shorts repeatable. You either want something to happen in your shorts that people have to watch again, or maybe they want to hear something you said in there again, or it can be by creating a seamless loop, so the end of your video isn't that discernible from the beginning of the video. So someone might not know that the video is actually looping, and it may appear like it's continuing. This helps the YouTube algorithm decide which videos to recommend. If people are watching your content with over 100% watch time retention, that's a great sign to YouTube and will push it out to more people. Now that you've finished up here, why don't you check out this video, which gives you over 30 best royalty-free sound effects. Or of course, you can just head over there and see what Mr. Beast says about the secret to breaking the YouTube algorithm.